In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode in Outlook email. By the end, your Outlook will be back to a clean, bright look that's easier to read if you prefer a light interface. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. These steps apply to the desktop app. If you're using Outlook on the web, the options will look different, so make sure you're in the desktop version. With Outlook open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click File. This opens what's called the Backstage view, where you'll find settings that affect the whole app rather than just a specific email or folder. Next, choose Options. You'll usually find it near the bottom of the menu list. Clicking this opens the Outlook Options window, which is where you can control appearance, mail settings, calendar preferences, and more. In the Options window, select General on the left side. General is the section that includes personalization settings for the overall look and feel of Outlook. If you're already on General by default, you're in the right place. Now look for the Office theme section. This is the setting that controls whether Outlook appears in dark or light mode. It's labeled Office theme because it applies across Office apps that share the same account and theme settings, not just Outlook. Click the drop-down menu in the Office theme section to see your choices. You'll typically see options like colourful, white, dark grey, and black. Dark grey and black are dark modes, while colourful and white are light modes. To disable dark mode, select either white or colourful. White gives you a clean, bright interface with minimal accents. Colourful keeps things light as well, but adds Microsoft's accent colours to the title bar, which some people find easier to navigate at a glance. Both options turn off dark mode, so it's just a matter of which light look you prefer. Once you've chosen white or colourful, click OK to apply your changes. Outlook will immediately switch to light mode, and you should notice the ribbon, message list, and reading pane adopt the brighter theme. This change may also carry over to other Office apps using the same theme setting. If the look doesn't update right away in a particular window, give it a moment or switch to another folder and back. Keep in mind that emails with their own formatting may still display with styles chosen by the sender, but your app's overall appearance will remain in light mode. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled dark mode in Outlook and switched to a light theme. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the brighter workspace.